We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive, expert-driven look at the S4 Astronaut Galaxy Projector Nightlight. If you own this item, please leave your own review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel. The S4 Astronaut Galaxy Projector Nightlight is a multifunctional device designed to elevate the ambience of any indoor space. Its unique astronaut design immediately sets it apart from typical nightlights and projectors. The body is crafted from high-quality materials with a smooth, lunar-textured base that provides stability and aesthetic appeal. The astronaut's head, which houses the high-definition lens, is both rotatable and detachable, allowing users to project the nebula and star effects at a wide range of angles and directions, making it suitable for bedrooms, living rooms, game rooms, and even home theaters. The build quality is consistently praised, with users noting the device's durability even after accidental drops. The plastic construction is sturdy, and the overall finish is described as both minimalist and charming, blending seamlessly with a variety of room decors. One of the standout features of the SFOUR projector is its ability to produce 8 distinct nebula effects, all of which can be controlled remotely. The LED light source delivers vibrant colors and dynamic patterns that can be adjusted in both brightness and speed, creating anything from a calming, starry night to an energetic, party-ready atmosphere. The remote control is intuitive, allowing users to switch between modes, set timers for automatic shutoff at either 45 or 90 minutes, and adjust the brightness to their preference. This makes the projector ideal for use as a sleep aid, a decorative accent, or a centerpiece for gatherings and celebrations. The timer function is particularly valued by parents and those who use the device as a nightlight, as it ensures the projector does not remain on all night, conserving energy and extending the life of the LEDs. In terms of performance, the S4 Astronaut Galaxy Projector excels in small to medium-sized rooms. The projection is clear and vivid, with the nebula effects providing a sense of depth and realism that many users find mesmerizing. The green stars, while not color changeable, add a dynamic element to the display. However, some users have noted that the brightness may not be sufficient for very large spaces, and the green stars cannot be turned off independently of the nebula, which can be a minor inconvenience for those who prefer a pure galaxy effect. The device operates silently, emitting no heat or noise, which enhances its suitability for use in bedrooms and relaxation spaces. Usability is another strong point for the SFOUR projector. The setup is straightforward, requiring only a USB power source. The remote control simplifies operation, though some users report that it must be pointed directly at the device for reliable performance. The projector's lightweight design and compact dimensions, measuring approximately 4.5 by 4.8 by 9.6 inches and weighing just over 1.2 pounds, make it easy to move between rooms or take to different locations. The freestanding installation means no complicated mounting is required, and the device can be placed on any flat surface. Versatility is a recurring theme in user feedback. The S4 Astronaut Galaxy Projector is used for a variety of purposes, from soothing nightlight for children and adults to a decorative highlight at parties and gatherings. It is frequently given as a gift, with recipients ranging from young children to college students and adults. The projector's ability to create a calming environment makes it popular among parents, especially those with infants or young children who enjoy watching the stars and nebulae before bed. Several reviewers mention using the projector during nighttime feedings, appreciating the gentle illumination that does not disturb sleep. The projector's aesthetic appeal is another commonly cited advantage. The astronaut figure is described as adorable and eye-catching, serving as a conversation starter and a distinctive addition to any room. Even when not in use, the projector doubles as a decorative piece, adding a touch of whimsy and charm. The 3D effect of the projections, combined with a range of colors and movement, creates an immersive experience that many users find both relaxing and inspiring. Despite its many strengths, the S4 Astronaut Galaxy Projector is not without its drawbacks. Some users express disappointment that the green stars cannot be turned off independently or changed to other colors. This limitation can be bothersome for those who prefer a more subdued or customizable light display. Additionally, while the device is generally considered a good value, some users have noted that similar products are available at lower prices from other sources, though these may lack the same shipping speed or return policy benefits. The reliance on a USB power source is also mentioned as a minor inconvenience, particularly for those who would prefer a cordless option. However, the energy efficiency and safety of the USB-powered design are appreciated by many. In terms of safety and reliability, the S4 projector performs well. It is designed to emit no heat, reducing the risk of burns or fire hazards, and the LEDs are long-lasting and energy efficient. The device is also described as waterproof, though it is intended for indoor use. The packaging is reinforced and includes protective foam, minimizing the risk of damage during shipping. Customer satisfaction is high, with the product maintaining a strong average rating across thousands of reviews. Users consistently praise the projector's ability to transform the atmosphere of a room, its ease of use, and its visual impact. The device is frequently recommended as a gift, particularly for children, teens, and anyone with an interest in space or unique lighting effects. Many users report purchasing multiple units for different rooms or as gifts for friends and family. The SFOUR Astronaut Galaxy Projector nightlight stands out as a versatile, well-designed, and visually impressive device that appeals to a wide range of users. Its unique astronaut design, customizable lighting effects, and user-friendly features make it a standout choice for those looking to enhance their living space with a touch of cosmic wonder. While there are minor limitations, such as the inability to turn off the green stars independently and the reliance on USB power, these are outweighed by the projector's many strengths. The device is durable, easy to use, and capable of creating a magical atmosphere that is both relaxing and inspiring. In summary, the S4 Astronaut Galaxy Projector Nightlight is a highly recommended product for anyone seeking to add a unique and soothing lighting element to their home. Its combination of aesthetic appeal, functional versatility, and reliable performance make it a top choice among decorative lighting options. If you have experience with this product, please share your thoughts in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description, and using it helps support the channel.